Hey y'all, the recruitment unit would like to send a huge thank you and a shout out to our telecommunicators and our animal control officers. Thanks guys!
Hey, it's Central Division. We just want to say one thing.
Thank you, Communications and Animal Control, for all that you do.
Thank you guys are awesome.
Couldn't do it without you guys.
Well, it is Telecommunicator / Dispatcher Appreciation Week, and I just want to reach out from the bottom of my heart and tell you how important the dispatchers are. You guys are our first line in everything that you do, and you help us out tremendously in all the things that we do. We could not do this without you at all, so I want to thank you, from the ones that answer the 911 calls all the way down to the ones that are on the radio. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you, and I hope you have a great week.
Hello from University City Division. Thank you for what you do.
Thank you, dispatchers.
Central Division wants to thank Communications and Animal Control for everything you guys do. We really appreciate you. Y'all always have our backs and always look out for us, so we appreciate you.
Thanks for watching out after us, guys. Also making sure that we're doing the right thing. Thanks.
On behalf of the Freedom Division, we want to take an opportunity to thank our telecommunicators for all that they do for us on a daily basis. Without you guys, this CMPD mission would not be as successful as it is. Thank you for all that you do, and have a great telecommunicator week.
Thank you for the airport.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Phillips with the Hickory Division. I want to give a special thank you to the Communications Division as well as Animal Control. Thank you for what you do.
On behalf of everybody in Central Division, we'd like to thank our communication staff for their hard work and dedication, and also Animal Control. Everybody say thank you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Officer Davis with the Central Division.
And I'm Officer Henderson, also in Central Division.
We wanted to say thank you so much to Communications and Animal Control for your hard work and dedication. We could not do this job without you guys.
Yeah, we really appreciate all the hard work you all put into it. Thank you.
On behalf of North Division, we would like to say a big thank you to all of our 911 call takers and dispatchers. Happy National Telecommunicator Week.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Travis Pardue from the Independence Division. We are out here today to say a genuine thank you to all of our telecommunicators and animal control folks. We appreciate you on so many different ways, in ways you couldn't imagine, and we could not do this without you. And on behalf of the Independence Division, we wanted to say thank you.
Hello, everyone. This week we're celebrating two incredibly important divisions within CMPD, Telecommunications and Animal Care and Control. Both of these divisions handle massive call volumes every day, and our employees do an amazing job handling that volume and being on the front lines for the city of Charlotte. To all of our telecommunicators and animal care and control officers, your hard work and dedication does not go unnoticed. We want you to know how appreciated you are and what a big difference your service makes to the CMPD and the city. Thank you for all that you do, and make sure you celebrate yourselves this week.